Guys, Monday is DIY face mask and I'm going to show you how to make an ice face mask that doesn't cost anything, but it gives you so many great benefits on our skin.
One of the most remarkable benefits of ice on your skin is the power of minimize the appearance of your pores by closing them up and making them look smaller. This one prevents the dirt and sebum buildup on your skin, won't clog your pores, plus lime is astringent so your complexion will be improved. It's going to reduce redness from any painful pimple and it will make it go away by drying it out very fast. People with oily and acne skin could benefit so much from this one. I like to add rose water when skin looks dull and fine lines are getting a little bit more deep. Boosting the blood circulation will bring brightness and color to our skin and it will help us to get a more natural even tone. Also prevent wrinkles by tightening the skin so it's kind of like a natural buttocks at home.
You wanted to grab a little piece of towel and very gentle squeeze a little bit your cheeks in this way up so we can stimulate the blood circulation even more. And I just like to do a little bit like up. That's it. Let it dry. Do you see how bright my skin looks? Also, it helps a lot when you didn't have a good sleep. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can know every time I upload a video. And I hope you have a great week and I'll see you next time. Pura Vida!